Good morning, my name is Mike Leppan and I'm the technical representative for Almar Container Group. Best packing practice for packing your container. You're wanting to pack your cargo as far up and as close to this back panel as possible so that you do not have a short circuit of your air coming up from the T-bar flooring and returning back to your refrigeration system. You're wanting to force the air down through the length of the T-bar floors. This is the kick plate, which forms the air pressure behind the airflow going down through the T-bar floors, forcing it down the full length of the channel towards the doors. It will also help pull the air up through your product and return it via the air channel at the top of the container between the roof and the product stack back to your refrigeration system. Part of your airflow cycle will be along this red marked line on the roof where it indicates the load level of your product. Your air follows along the roof line back to the cooling side of your refrigeration unit where it is then cooled again and passed back through the T-bar flooring.